Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, scary looking position where white is winning. So it's white's turn and white is playing to win this game. So guys, before I said anything else, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. White's pawns are going forward in this direction and black's pawns are going downward in this direction. They are about to be a queen in just one move, three of them. So guys, as always, pause the video and guess the move. Okay, welcome back. So if you tried to stop these pawns, like capturing one of the pawn, this doesn't help you because black would just make a new queen, and black has a queen now, right? So black is up in material and this is a big threat, so black will absolutely win this game if you just move like rook takes g2. And you might think this move, and after this you may just capture black's pawn, and black cannot promote here, but black can promote on e1, and this is going to be the same story as before. Black will win this easily. So these are 3 pawns, right? It's like impossible to stop all of these 3, even if with a queen. If the queen is, for example, on the rook placement, like on d5, it's impossible to stop the 3 of them. One of them is going to be a queen. So you don't have to stop these pawns, meaning you have to shift your focus to the king, to the enemy king. It's vulnerable and its position is not good. The first move of the game, this puzzle, is bishop to c6, but not to attack these pawns. Now the king has 2 squares. If the king played to b8, this is simply just a checkmate, and black is just checkmated, right? This is checkmate. So black wouldn't do that, right? So the black king must move to a6. Now in this position we play the brilliant bishop to b5. It's not a brilliant necessarily, but it's a great move, and that is the only move that can win the game. So here's what happening. The black king is forced to move back to b7 square. And now we are going to play bishop to a6, sacrificing the bishop. Once again, the king cannot play to the 8th rank because this is going to be just a checkmate, as I showed you earlier. Meaning the king can't play to a8 and b8. Instead, the king must capture the bishop. So now what do we do? Okay, if you said pushing the pawn to b5, you are absolutely wrong, and this is going to be just losing for you. Black would just move to a5 and black is completely out of danger. You don't have any way to even give a check to the enemy king, meaning you have to move another piece, and it looks like you don't have any. But here come again the only winning move, king to c6. So the idea is now we are just threatening this checkmate. So in this position, if black moves the bishop, we just deliver checkmate this way. This is checkmate and black king can't move. But you might say, what if black just promote one of the pawn, right? One of the 3 pawn. it doesn't matter. What do we do? Well, we play rook to a5 anyway. It's nearly checkmate, but this time there is a bishop to capture the rook. Now, what do we do? I know all of you guys will get this move, right? It's b5, checkmate. So the king can't move. It's just smothered by its own piece, and this is another checkmate. So this is the solution. For a recap, first we are going to play bishop to c6. This forces the black to move to a6. Notice if black moves to the 8th rank, this is going to be checkmate. Black would end up in a dangerous position that leads to a back rank checkmate. So in this position we give another check because of the pawn now can't move upward, has only one move to go back to b7. And now we don't go to the previous move, instead we sacrifice the bishop to lure the king to a6 once again. Well, in this position we play king to c6, and this is just unstoppable. Black has no way to stop this. Black's best move is to promote one of the pawn, hoping some kinds of check if we messed up, but we don't mess up. We play rook to a5, and this is checkmate. So this is the whole solution of the puzzle. If you found the video entertaining, make sure to like, share with your friends, and subscribe, guys. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.